Meaning of gormless.
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 Gormless. The word gormless is an adjective that describes someone who is lacking intelligence, common sense, or awareness. It can also mean someone who is clumsy or has poor judgment. This word is often used in a negative context and implies a sense of foolishness or incompetence. Gormless people may struggle to understand basic concepts or social cues, which can make them appear awkward or unrefined. Overall, being described as gormless suggests a lack of mental acuity or ability to adapt, which can negatively impact one's personal and professional relationships.